about breakout. Okay, friends, I had done a lesson about precondition of false breakout. I don't know it will be before this lesson or after it. And also once more why it's important. Key level it's not enough. Far more important how price will approach to key level, because how we will be able to trade key levels. First it will be breakout, bounce or false breakout. And for us it is important to have a precondition what can happen with bigger possibility. And that precondition will help you to understand it. And when you will approve it and will learn it, it will help you to understand market better. And you will understand power, and you will understand energy far more better when you will understand this precondition. Okay, friends. First, price made consolidation before it approached a key level. Example for you, like here, we had a key level. And after that the price made accumulation, and when price approached to this key level, a huge possibility there could be a breakout. Why? Because here big players could accumulate enough volume to drop the instrument. For you it's important to understand where big players accumulate the volume. Example for you is here on oil, like price approached to this key level before it price bounced from this level, and here big players accumulate enough volume, and after that what happened? Breakout. Another example of for you is USD Swiss franc. It's a key level on lower time frame. We should open for our chart, and you will see that it is a key level on this 4 hour time frame, and you will see it here. From this place you can see the price approached to this key level and bounced it, and after that price made accumulation on lower time frame, like you see here. And after that, when price approached, we see powerful breakout. That's all, friends. That's a precondition of that. Preload, friends, it could be a bad translation because I translated from my language, but how it looks when we have some key level and when price hit it or bounce it from it, but eventually after that we don't see the price bounce, but we see the price came closer and closer to that key level. Also it calls a triangle or triangle. When we see the triangle, and with huge possibility there will be a continue. Example for you here on Euro USD. Take a look on this example here. Like we had a key level here, 1.10, round number. From this place price bounced so many times. And what happened here? Take a look. Price came to this key level and made false breakout. First reaction you can see was drop. Price dropped, had dropped 35 pips. But what happened after that? You can see that there were a preload, and every low become higher and higher. And after that price came to continue uprise. That's why it's important to pay attention to it. Another example for you on we can open British Pound Australian, and you will see that example here. Here. Take a look on this key level. I think you see it. Let's make it closer. I think you see why this level is powerful. If you don't understand, you need to learn how to build key levels. That's all. That's only that will help you. Okay, once more. Yes, friends. And here, take a look. It was a key. This is a key level from daily chart, 195.27. Let's open for our chart, and you will see. Okay, and here is 195.27, and you can see that first reaction on this key level was a false breakout. But after that, what happened? This triangle on lower time frame, and after that price continue uprise. You need to understand that when you see, even if you see false breakout, but eventually price makes close at key level, and you see such triangle preload, you can call it how you want. With huge possibilities there will be a continue of that movement. Price approach to key level with small candles, 50-70% of ATR. You need to understand when price approach to big candles with 1 ATR, something like that, to key level, with huge possibilities there will be bounce. But when price approach to some key level with very low candles, that means big players want to move that instrument slowly, and that's why with huge possibilities there will be a breakout. That's why what can I tell you? Example for you. Yes. Like example for you was here. When you see such candles on the chart, that means the trend can continue forever. That means they're a powerful big player and they can move instrument, because you can see that all the time when there are big candles, after the price always stop and accumulate. Always after big candles there are stop, accumulation, or change of direction. Accumulation on bigger time frame. It's also a powerful picture. Why? Because friends, when you see something like this, accumulation on bigger picture, what does it mean? That means big players had accumulated huge amount of volume, like here, big players accumulated huge amount of volume, and after that there could be a powerful uprise without any pullback, like here. Just imagine here. Also, the same stuff here. The same stuff you can see here. Let's open for our chart, and you can see this key level. But what eventually happened? As you see, this triangle and preload. Price even made false breakout. Plus, the first time price dropped down 90 pips. Second time price dropped down nearly 60 pips. But eventually, after this huge accumulation, price rose up dramatically. And take a look from this place what happened. The price exploded. Global and local trends are the same. Take a look here. I think you understand this. Global trend on gold bullish. Global trend from this place bullish, and local trend when you found that entry was also bullish. That's why it's good to find entry to continue uprise. At this moment, after this phase, it's not good to find a buy at this moment. Better to skip buy entries. But soon, when gold will do the same cycle like this one, will do a pullback, accumulation. After that, also it will be good to buy it. Every daily candle close at its high low into key level direction. The same example here on Euro USD. When you see that price approach to some key level and still closed at this key level, it is a signal that with huge possibility price will continue uprise. Why? If you will open New York, nice stock exchange volume, you will see that nearly 30–40% of all volume will bring on first and the last hour. That means big players fight for that picture, which they will build on a chart. That's why it's important, and that's why when price close at high, huge chance there will be continue of uptrend. But friends, once more, you need to use all this precondition together. One separate precondition means nothing. You need to pay attention on global local trend, and you need to pay attention on all of them together. Global and local trend is the same. Into global trend direction. Always the best entries will be into global trend direction, like here on oil. When price started this drop, and best always to find entries after pullback to continue drop, because you're working with the trend. With huge possibility, with bigger probability, trend will continue. Then it will change in direction. Once more, friends, you will get it on the list. It's my trading algorithm. You will get it in this course. Once more, you need to pay attention on this precondition before you open entry. It's far more important sometimes than you have a key level. Thank you for your time.